What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make an aeroplane. So if you start off folding it up like this, then putting your finger down, then open it up, then get the side and then put it on the line, the triangle bit that you get. And then get the other bit and then join it up with the other bit. And then get this bit and then fold it like that. And then do it the other way. Like that. And then you can do it like that again, so it's more sharper. And then you fold it up from there, and then get the bit down, and then put your finger like that, and then get the wing, that bit, and then fold it to right to the bottom, and then the other way. Right to the bottom, and that's how you make an airplane. Bye.